and continue.
Bonjour. It's amazing. Who's done all this stuff?
Artists from all over the world.
All over the world.
Yeah.
Wow. That's interesting. Some of this stuff is in I've never seen nothing like it. So have a good look. Sweet. How much do one of these pieces go for?
Which
Like
one?
something like that.
It depends about, but usually those kind of pieces.
Good look. Wow. Even that picture. Be careful, you don't look into it. Some serious stuff here, man. Oh, wow. That's incredible. Don't drop anything, for scream's sakes. Around the world. Some of these guys. Must be a quick. Not enough. Bonjour.
Vous voulez goûter le pivot?
So much stuff to buy, I have to double back quick.
Tu vois ce que je veux dire? Oui, je sais comment il s'appelle. Ouais.
That's good, wherever that is. This is like something from...
Ouais. C'est stylé. Dans l'intérieur avec
Wow. Bonjour, just having a look at your amazing stuff. First time I've seen this kind of art before. Just come down your street.
They are all French artists.
Yeah. Oh wow.
C'était à l'époque, quand tu c'était à l'époque où
Sorry mate. Let's double back. Got to go in there. Got to go in there, mate. Crazy, man. It's really crazy. I needed more time. Which way are you going? No idea. Zigzag. God knows where this place is. This is incredible. What is that? Let's start making our way back then. Where are we going? What is? What beautiful place. I'm impressed. It's got ice cream.
Ouais, demain.
It's fine.
Et du Vichy.
Straight. Sorry. Please, still we need to do like well, you can tell we're young. This is a really good right, boss, yeah. I can't believe how beautiful this area is. Oh, did you? Yeah, boy, this is nice. I've blown some serious dosh, man. Oh my. Oh dear, dear, dear. No way to still do this. We'll call that a day, mate. That's well steep.